Hey folks, James from Bommer here with another feature video, and today we're going to be talking about the Flatten BOM feature in our Bommer for SOLIDWORKS plugin. So, let's dig in, shall we? If I can direct you to the screen here, we have our Megabot robot, and to accompany it we have the live BOM. Now, as is customary, we got a bunch of parts here, but we have to order one in particular. So I've gone ahead and created a filter just so I can find this particular part, and as I can see here, this part is used in two particular instances. So, I'm going to clear the filter. And now I'm going to press the Flatten BOM button. What Flatten does is that it rolls up all similar components into a single line item for easier management and visibility. So if I sort here by quantity, we'll be able to see that all similar line items have been rolled up. Easy as that. Now if I apply my filter again, we'll be able to see that I now have one line item with the exact quantity of the part that I need to order. So now you may be asking yourself, how did we get 36 when if you look at our original live view, we have 8 and 14 of the same part, which adds up to 22. So if I clear the filter, and I search for that one particular part, we will be able to see that in this particular instance of 8, if I scroll up to the parent, takes a little bit, I apologize, you'll be able to see that there's only one of the parent assembly that we need to order. If I search for it again, for the 14 in this case, and I scroll up, we notice that we need 2 of the particular parent. That's where we get the 36 from. The main goal here is to avoid human error where possible. So now I go to export the bill of materials and Presto Changeo, we're at the final BOM, and all ready to order 36 of this particular part that we need. Now granted, we did this with one part just to show as an example, but you could do this with any amount of parts that you would want to list up and roll up, depending on your view and filter as to what you want to see. Well folks, that's all I have for you today. As always, I'm going to include some useful links in the description down below, including where you can find the main site for Megabots, where you can get the model and see the robot in action yourself. But as always, have an awesome day.